Two friends are in a jungle, and they are looking for gold. Suddenly, they find a box, and when that box opens, they get very worried about what is the shiny thing in it.
Alright viewers, the video you just saw was created using a very exciting AI tool called Vidu AI. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create the same kind of videos in a professional way using this tool. Without wasting any time, the first step is to open YouTube. Once you're there, search for a channel called Hamudeg. After opening the channel, you can clearly see the level of views it's getting. Just look at this. Oh my god. Over 3.52 million subscribers. And if we talk about estimated earnings, it's around 1.5k per month. This clearly shows that the channel is fully monetized. Now, if we look at the channel details, the category is gaming, and the country is the United States. Once again, the estimated monthly earnings are around 1.5k, which makes this a very impressive and successful channel. Now let's move to the Shorts section and click on Popular. Here, you can see the performance of their videos. 106 million views, 85 million, 52 million, 41 million. This is absolutely insane. Almost every single video has gone viral and crossed millions of views. So it's clear, if we create similar content and upload it on our channel, there is a very high chance it can go viral as well. I've generated all the prompts in advance, including complete character details, outfits, and scene-by-scene breakdowns. As you can see, Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, everything is fully organized with proper character consistency. Not just that, I've also prepared all the video prompts beforehand, because I don't want to waste your time. Today, I want to take you straight to the most important part. So now that you've reviewed all the prompts, let's move to the main website. Here, we'll use powerful features like text to video, reference to video, and image to video to generate our content. So without any delay, let's get started. Alright viewers, now you need to open the Vidu AI website. As you can see, this website is absolutely amazing. Vidu AI is very powerful in every aspect. If we talk about its features, it includes reference to video, image to video, templates, AI lip sync, AI face swap, AI remake, one-click video generate, AI video editor, and AI video enhancer. This means you get every kind of tool here and you can easily enjoy using this platform. Now viewers, if you look here, there are also some sample videos uploaded on this website. You can watch them to understand what kind of videos it generates. Let me quickly show you a couple of sample videos. Now, the main focus of today's video, image to video, and then reference to video. These three tools will be our main focus, and I will teach you how each of them works step by step. So viewers, first I want to generate using image to video. But for image to video, we need images first. So I will click on the image option and generate images first. As I already have my prompts ready, you can find all these prompts in the description. I will paste the prompt for scene 1 here, and I will use Nano Banana tool. Then I will click on the Create option. As you can see, the task has started generating. Now I will upload all scenes one by one, because my main focus is image to video, not image generation. So I will copy all prompts one by one. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, and paste them here. You just need to wait for 1 minute, and after 1 minute, you can see all my images are ready. Oh my god, just boom, you can see the quality. The character is consistent in every image. There is no change in the character across any image. This is the best part of Vidu AI. It is very strong in maintaining character consistency. Now download all images one by one. And now, let's move to image to video. After clicking on image to video, the first option is to upload your first image. After uploading, set the duration. I will select 6 seconds. Then I will give it a video prompt. After that, I will use the Video Q3 model, which is the latest. Now I click on Create. You can see my first image to video has started generating. After waiting for a short time, you can see my first video is ready.
That chest shouldn't be here. That chest
Oh my God, guys, this is very amazing.
shouldn't be here.
Now let's move to the second image. Here I will upload the second image. First, I will give the first frame, then I will also add the last frame. This time, I added 2 frames, and I also gave it a voiceover. Again, I will select Video Q3 model and click on Create. We will wait for 1 minute. After that, you can see my second image to video is also ready.
Steve made a huge mistake.
And this one is even more dramatic. This image to video tool of Vidu AI is absolutely amazing. Now we move to the last tool, which is reference to video, and this is the most powerful tool of all. You can see it supports multi-reference consistency. First, click on Reference, then click on the plus icon. First, upload an object, then it will automatically generate a description. Now I will upload my first image. I will also add its description and give it a reference name. For example, Minecraft. Then I will write text to video in the tag and click on Next. After a short wait, you can see it automatically generated a 3D animation Minecraft description. This shows how powerful the reference system is. Now I will drag this reference into the workspace. After that, I will select the Video Q3 model and click on Create. You can see my first reference to video has started generating. After a short wait, oh my God, viewers, what a quality!
Herobrine was released.
My first reference to video is ready, and it looks amazing. Now this time, instead of one reference, I will use multiple images. I will select 3 images and upload them. After selecting the same Video Q3 model, I will click on Create. My second reference to video has started generating. After a short wait, oh my God, this is dramatic. It combined all 3 images into one cinematic story. It also maintained character consistency across all scenes. This reference to video tool is truly amazing. Now it's time to edit everything and bring all videos into one sequence. We will also add a professional voiceover. So let's go and open CapCut. Alright viewers, after opening CapCut, you need to drag and import all your videos here. As you can see, I have selected some of the videos that I downloaded, including important clips from text to video, reference to video, and image to video. I have taken 1 clip from each because now I'm going to edit them. After editing, you can see that I have arranged all the clips in a proper sequence on the timeline. Now I will add the voiceover. For voiceover, I use ElevenLabs, which provides one of the best AI voices. You can generate any voiceover you want by writing your own script. I have already prepared my script, so I used ElevenLabs to generate the voiceover and downloaded it. After downloading, I will drag and import the voiceover here. Then I will do some adjustments to sync it properly with the video. And now you can see, my final video look is ready with perfect adjustments and a professional voiceover. Now I will export the video. After exporting, you can see my final video is ready.
2 friends are in a jungle, and they are looking for gold. Suddenly, they find a box, and when that box opens, they get very worried about what is the shiny thing in it.
Now if we talk about pricing plans, there are multiple options available like monthly, standard, premier, ultimate, and team plans. There are also discounts available. 20% off on yearly billing and 39% off on monthly billing. So it's completely your choice which plan you want to select, standard, premier, ultimate, or team. Alright viewers, I hope you really liked today's video, and I also hope you liked this amazing Vidu AI tool. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video with a new idea. Goodbye.